Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you a way that you can save a lot of money. There's so many benefits to doing it this way. I buy my cheese at Gordon Foods. What I like to do is buy it in bulk and then I shred it myself, and I'm going to show you how I do all that and how I bag it up to put it in the freezer. So come along with me and let me show you how I do that. This is the shredder that I'm using. I love this shredder. I've had it for probably 5 years. It works great. It has a lot of different attachments. I will leave a link to it below in the description if you want to check it out. I put a little bit of water down right there. It's got a suction cup on it, so I just place it there and then push that lever down, and that just locks it tightly into place. You want to grab a pretty good sized bowl because it will fill it up more than once. And then I'm going to cut it up into little blocks so it'll fit right into the shredder. And then once you get that done, you are all set. You just want to get everything set up. I left a few in the bowl. I'll just pull from there as I do it. I really love this bowl. This bowl I bought at Walmart, and it's just nice and big, and I like that it's clear. So I'm just putting the handle, I'm just putting it down like that, and then I need to lock that into place. I would have to say this lasts me probably 3 or 4 months. We make a lot of pizza, a lot of different things, but it is just so nice to have this in my freezer. What I do is I buy these little Great Value Walmart bags. They are not for the freezer, but they are perfect just to hold the amount I need for each dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load everything up into these bags, and I'll show you the next step in just a second. But first I need to get everything shredded. And I do want to point out, I am taking all the air out of each bag. I am rolling it and making sure all the air is out of the bags. And then once you get it all done, it's time to bag all of it up. I wanted to just show you how easy this opens to clean it. I always open it up. There's usually a little bit of cheese stuck in there, and I want to add that to the rest of it. They are so easy to clean though. This whole thing is so easy to clean. I just started thinking maybe I should show you how much I am putting in each bag. It works good for me. We are empty nesters, so it's about a cup and a quarter, I would say, in each bag. And that seems to always be about the right amount for us. I have 25 bags here. There are a lot of benefits to doing your cheese this way. For me, we love the way it melts on a pizza. It's so different. It definitely has the stringy. I am using a Ziploc bag. This is how I put them in the freezer. I use the big bag, the big freezer bag, and I get as many of them into one bag as I can. They go in the freezer. They thaw out so easy. You don't want to put them in the microwave. Just put them out about a half hour to an hour before you need it, and it will thaw out enough that you can break it up and it's ready to use. If you know you're going to need it, stick it in the fridge the night before. But this is such a great way to always have cheese on hand. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up two of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I would like to thank you so much for watching today. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you hit the like button and consider subscribing.